Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be a Amazon hiking shoe unboxing video. I ordered some hiking shoes off of Amazon. I haven't really gone out to the store or anything. I haven't had much luck looking for hiking shoes, and it finally hit me, hey, why don't I check out Amazon? So we're gonna check out these hiking boots I bought off of Amazon. They are not a really well-known brand, so I'm really interested to try these out and see how they do. I bought them off of Amazon. I have Amazon Prime, but they did get here sooner than expected. They said it would take a week. They got here in like a couple days. And they are by Mountain Warehouse. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is the Amazon listing. And they were $48. They are women's hiking shoes. They run from $35 to $48. So they're really, really well priced, under $50. And let's unbox them and check them out. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment down below. If you buy these shoes especially, or you like them or anything, let us know in the comments what you think. So, much about the brand except for what I read off of Amazon, but they looked pretty cool. So, they come, regular box and everything. They also just came shipped in this box and a bag around it, so really nothing too crazy. But here's one of the shoes. They're very lightweight. That's the first thing I noticed. The quality looks great. I've looked at all different kinds of brands, and they were very expensive, and I just wasn't ready to invest a whole lot of money into shoes just yet. I wanted to try and kind of see what I like before I start investing more in shoes. They look like they have good grip on the bottom. I like that so far. And also a big thing for me was I wanted a set of shoes that had higher area and padding around the ankle. I have some trouble when I'm hiking where my ankle wants to go the opposite direction that I'm going, and I'm hoping that these will help stabilize me on the rocks and just areas where it's a little trickier to walk, especially at Oak Mountain. So I think these will be good. Get out the other one. And I really like the laces. They're really high quality. They're kind of stretchy too, which I like, and they're very long, so you don't have to worry about running out of lace. And they have this little holder right here. I don't really know quite what that's called, but it's just a place where you can hold your laces. And then here's the tag, and they say waterproof on there. They're kind of a suede material, which I wasn't sure if that would be waterproof, but they do have good waterproof rating. I probably will spray some waterproof sealant on them just to be extra sure, but they also have some of their information on here, and then they have a little care guide right here about how to take care of the shoes and make sure that you are keeping up with them so they will last as long as possible. And then you can see the inside here. It's got a lot of cushioning to it, so I think that'll be a good thing. I bought these in a size 9. I'm usually a size 9, so I do think from looking at them they run true to size. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get some insoles in them just for extra support and comfort. But let's try these on and see how they do, see how they feel.